Hello everyone. In this video, let's solve a problem on ratio analysis. I am Madhu Chetan. This problem is related to Unit 3, chapter name Ratio Analysis, 6th Sim BBA and BCom. Let's read the problem. Calculate material cost ratio, labor cost ratio, factory cost ratio, administration cost ratio, selling and distribution expenses ratio, gross profit ratio, operating ratio, net profit ratio, stock turnover ratio from the following income statement. The P&L account given: to opening stock 2,50,000, to purchases 10,50,000, to wages 4 lakh, to factory expenses 2 lakh, to gross profit 6,50,000. Credit side by sales 24 lakh, and by closing stock 1,50,000. Total will be 25,50,000. In the debit side of P&L account, to administration expenses 2,30,000, to selling and administration expenses 1 lakh, to interest 20,000, and the net profit is 3,50,000. The gross profit brought down 6,50,000 and miscellaneous expenses is 5,000. Total of 5,50,000. Total of 7 lakh. Now coming to the solution, we need to rearrange the income statement. So first, if we take the sales, ₹24 lakh, from that we have to deduct the cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold, to find out the cost of goods sold, we need to add opening stock, purchases, wages, factory expenses. Total will be 19 lakh, and if we deduct closing stock from this 19 lakh, we will get cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold is 17,50,000. So if we deduct these two, 24 lakh minus 17,50,000, the gross profit will be 6,50,000. In trading account also, the gross profit was 6,50,000. Now less operating expenses, administration expenses 2,30,000, selling and distribution expenses 1 lakh. So total operating expenses are 33 lakh, 3,30,000. If we deduct that from 6,50,000, operating profit will be 3,20,000. Operating profit will be 3,20,000, and add non-operating income. The non-operating income are miscellaneous income, which is credit side of the P&L account, that is 50,000. If we add, we will get 3,70,000. From that, we have to minus non-operating expenses, that is interest, non-operating expenses 20,000. So if we deduct this, 3,50,000 is the net profit. Now let's calculate the ratios. The first ratio asked is material cost ratio. So material consumed divided by net sales into 100. Formula to calculate the material cost ratio: material consumed divided by net sales into 100. So material consumed equals opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Then we will get material consumed. 25,000 is the opening stock plus purchases 10,50,000 minus 1,50,000, that is closing stock. So 11,50,000 divided by 24 lakh into 100. 40, how much, 47.9% is the material cost. Now labor cost is wages, can be the amount which is paid as wages, that amount can be considered as labor cost. So wages is 4 lakh divided by 24 lakh, net sales 24 lakh into 100, answer will be 16.67%. Now moving to factory expenses ratio. Factory expenses is also given in the problem. Formula to calculate the factory expenses ratio is factory expenses divided by net sales into 100. So factory expenses 2 lakh, net sales 24 lakh into 100, 8.33%. Now administration expenses ratio. Formula to calculate the administration expenses ratio: administration expenses divided by net sales into 100. Administration expenses is 23,000, net sales 24 lakh into 100, 9.58%. Now selling and distribution expenses ratio. Formula to calculate selling and distribution expenses ratio is selling and distribution expenses divided by net sales into 100. So 1 lakh is the selling and distribution expenses, net sales 24 lakh into 100, so 4.16% is the selling and distribution ratio. Now gross profit ratio. Gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit is 6,50,000 and net sales 24 lakh. 6,50,000 divided by 24 lakh into 100, 27.08%. Operating profit ratio. Operating profit divided by net sales into 100. So in the statement only operating profit is there. Operating profit is 3,20,000 divided by 24 lakh into 100, 13.33%. Next, operating ratio. Operating ratio formula: cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales. Cost of goods sold is also there in the statement. Operating expenses is also there in the statement. That is 17,50,000 plus 33 lakh. So total divided by 24 lakh. Sorry, that's 17,50,000 plus 3,30,000. 3,30,000 divided by 24 lakh into 100. Answer will be 86.67%. Answer is 86.67%. Now net profit ratio. So net profit ratio, net profit divided by net sales into 100. So net profit is 3,50,000 and net sales is 24 lakh into 100. Answer will be 34 lakh, 3,50,000 divided by 24,000. Answer will be 14.58%. How much? 14.58%. Now the last one, stock turnover ratio. Formula to calculate stock turnover ratio is cost of goods sold divided by average stock. So average stock equals opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Average stock opening stock is 2,50,000 plus closing stock is 1,50,000 divided by 2, that is 2 lakh. And cost of goods sold is 17,50,000, so divided by 2 lakh, 8.75%. Cost of goods sold, stock turnover ratio is 8.75%. So with this I end this session. Thank you very much.